Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you've ever had to manage the busy window of time between the final school bell and the family dinner table, you know how critical after-school hours are. Today, we're sharing the ultimate strategic guide on how to design effective lesson plans for after-school programs. We are breaking down how to move past basic supervision and build exciting, structured programs that kids look forward to while ensuring real, meaningful growth. First, let's talk about why systematic planning is so essential. Unlike the standard school day, after-school hours are unique because they blend learning with fun. A good lesson plan keeps this balance. It provides consistent structure for your daily sessions, keeps your team organized, and improves student engagement by setting clear expectations. Most importantly, it helps you promote cognitive, social, and emotional growth while reassuring parents of the program's educational value. So what actually makes a lesson plan good? It starts with clear learning objectives, knowing exactly what skills or knowledge students should walk away with. Then, you need hands-on, age-appropriate activities and materials that support those goals rather than distracting from them. Don't forget to build in time for reflection, like a quick drawing or sharing circle. Finally, leave room for flexibility and keep the overall tone light and full of joy. When kids are having fun, they are far more likely to stay focused and participate. If you are ready to design your own lessons, don't let it overwhelm you. You can easily build any lesson plan with a simple 5-step approach. First, define your learning objective, like practicing math through cooking or learning cooperation through a game. Second, choose an interactive instructional strategy like project-based learning or guided discovery. Third, plan the activity flow. Fourth, prepare your physical and digital materials. And fifth, always add flexibility to accommodate different student moods. When planning your daily activity flow, remember that after-school students are often tired or looking to unwind. Keep your schedule structured but moving. We recommend starting with a short 5 to 10 minute warm-up or icebreaker, then dive into your main hands-on activity for 20 to 30 minutes. Wrap up with 5 to 10 minutes of quiet reflection or a share-out circle. Most importantly, always build in buffer time for setup, cleanup, and transitions. Keep in mind that when it comes to after-school activities, one size does not fit all. Your plans must match the developmental stage of your students. Younger kids in elementary school thrive on structure, repetition, and creative play. For this age group, focus on arts, crafts, story time, and simple STEM experiments. Use visual instructions, establish consistent routines, and give lots of encouragement to help them reinforce classroom learning in a fun way. As students grow into middle and high school, they seek more independence, autonomy, and real-world relevance. For middle schoolers, introduce project-based learning, debates, and digital storytelling, giving them leadership roles where possible. For high schoolers, keep things highly purposeful. Focus on college prep, career exploration, and community service projects that prepare them directly for the future. If you want to keep your program consistently exciting, try themed weekly planning. It gives students something to look forward to and lets you explore topics deeply without starting from scratch every day. You can run Science Week, Storytelling Week, or Kindness Week. A great weekly framework is starting with team building on Monday, working on creative projects midweek, focusing on physical play on Thursday, and hosting a big group showcase on Friday. Because after-school teaching is different from the regular school day, your instructional strategies must reflect that. You want to keep learning meaningful but relaxed. Use project-based learning to let students explore real-world challenges over several sessions and encourage cooperative learning in small groups. Tap into hands-on discovery and use older students or volunteers as peer mentors to build confidence on both sides. We also want to make sure every single student can participate meaningfully. To build inclusive programs for kids with diverse abilities, keep your lesson plans adaptable. Use sensory-friendly materials, provide visual schedules to help with transitions, and design activities that can easily be scaled up or down. Keeping group sizes small and utilizing peer support buddy networks makes a massive difference. Now, we all know that designing these rich lesson plans takes a lot of time and creative energy. Don't let administrative paperwork and coordination slow you down. Jambula's after-school registration software handles the administrative heavy lifting, from automated registrations and parent communication to scheduling and attendance tracking. Let technology handle the details so you can focus on the campers. Visit jambula.com today to book a personalized demo and elevate your program today.